In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align and position objects in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, an invitation, or just about anything that requires precision, aligning your elements correctly is key to creating a polished look. Getting started is simple, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in your ability to experiment with object positioning seamlessly. First, to access all of Canva's powerful design tools, navigate to Canva's website. With its vast array of templates and functionalities, it's a great place to start or enhance your design projects. If you haven't already, it's time to log in. Click on the Continue button, and if prompted, choose your Google account. It's a quick step to streamline your experience, especially if you consistently use Google services. After entering your login details, make sure to click Continue once more to finalize the login process and open up your personalized Canva dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to select the project you wish to work on. Open the project to begin the editing process. If you don't have a particular project in mind yet, consider creating a simple design for practice, something with a few elements to align and position. Now we'll dive into aligning objects. Click on the image or object you want to position. You might be tempted to drag and drop the object manually, but for more precision, you'll want to use Canva's built-in tools. Once you have your object selected, look for the Position button in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on it and you'll see several options that will help you align your object with precision. Let's start by aligning your object vertically. Click on Middle to bring your object halfway down your design, aligning it with the center vertically. This feature ensures that your object isn't skewed to the top or bottom, but perfectly centered along the middle of your workspace. Next, let's make sure the horizontal alignment is just right. Click on Center in the same position menu to move your object to the very middle of your design, balancing it horizontally as well. This step ensures that your object sits equally spaced from the left and right edges, creating a harmonious look. And that's it. You've positioned your object precisely where it should be. As you continue to work on different designs, remember that these alignment options can be customized based on your specific needs to improve the overall aesthetic of your projects. Experiment with these settings to see how they can best serve your creativity. With practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll be creating stunning, professional-looking designs effortlessly in Canva.